So it's already day 3 and it feels like we've been here forever. Not like that's a bad thing, but my sleep schedule is so fucked up. I literally knocked out at like 6 p.m. Could only sleep like 6 hours here. I don't know why. And then woke up at 12 a.m. So I've been up ever since, and it's now around 7 a.m. and today's our most insane and packed day ever, which is gonna be really exciting but also very tiring. But technically first time in Iceland, so we gotta really like kill it, you know. Super excited, but yeah, let's go. Chasing horses, oh my god. Holy crap, you guys. We were in Horseland, and this is my friend. He wants to eat my hand or my feet, can't tell, but very cool. Holy crap. What's going on? There's nothing you can eat off me. Maybe he can smell the food. Who wants this? Nobody. 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 Do you want this? Oh my god, I'm soaking wet. I made it! Oh my god. I wasn't sure I was gonna survive going through that. I should have worn my raincoat, but thank you, Cami, for this jacket. Oh god, ugh. It's a bloody mess down here. My sisters for opening the door. So this is our room at the Glacier Lagoon. Pretty nice. Wish we had the other view, but this is pretty sweet. Dishes. The bathroom's not bad either. I like this little setup. Hello, selfie stick and me. Awesome. So after staying in a hostel for 2 days, we finally are in a hotel, and it's super, super nice. I love how they decorated it. I love the little sitting space by the window, the side table, the green marble, like everything is basically like my dream home aesthetic. So definitely I'm gonna rip this whole place apart and make it my own. But anyways, today was the most magical day thus far, even though it's only day 3 and I know we have the whole week ahead of us. By far, my highlight was visiting the black sand beach, because you see it on those travel websites and those listicles of like the places you have to visit before you die, and just seeing it in person is so unreal and so magical. And so I've been using majestic, mystical, those adjectives to describe Iceland, because it truly is. It's indescribable. The scenery is like incredible. I was trying to take a picture and it just didn't justify, so just take it all in. I know we have a week, 3 more days ahead of us, and so I know that there'll be a lot more highlights, but this by far, and I just felt like so lucky and thankful to be there and to experience it. And as much as my sister drives me fucking crazy, I give her props for planning this whole trip and making it as the best Iceland trip ever, especially for the first one. I'm definitely, I know I've said this, I'm definitely gonna come back. So just washed up, just gotta, we might go down to dinner because we haven't really been eating anything too healthy, and our bodies are probably just like fucked up from the cold and trying to adjust and sleeping patterns and everything, and we just need to like nourish our body with good food. But yeah, man, what a anyways. Oh snap. It's Jacqueline! It's gonna blow! So this is our hotel slash hostel. Pretty nice. Closet here. Hello there. Nice vanity with 2 chairs. Our 2 beds. My bag. And then the outside, which is right in front of a beach, so wonderful. So second food haul, but not really haul because we're small. We got some strawberries, which turned out to be $5. Thought it was $2.50. I think this is grams or something, not right. Blueberries, also $5. Don't support Driscoll's, but this is my sister's, so whatever, she bought it. Got some mushroom soup. This was around $3, so technically about the same price as things in America, but I think this would have been possibly twice as big.